Hi everybody, my name is Miss Brenda and today we're going to read a book. We are going to read the book Counting. This book is written by Kim Mitzo Thompson and Karen Mitzo Hildebrand. One butterfly in the sky, one balloon floating by. Two mittens to wear when it's cold, two chicks to gently hold. Have mittens and two baby chicks. Three blue eggs in a nest, three furry puppies are the best. We have the eggs in the nest and three little puppies. Four orange little fish, four stars to make a wish. Five frogs, slimy and green. Five kittens, as cute as can be. We have five slimy frogs and five cute little kittens. Six children dressed to play. Six leaves I found today. Seven pumpkins on the ground. Seven lollipops, oh so round. Seven pumpkins and seven lollipops. Eight candles for my cake. Eight cookies my mom baked. Nine strawberries, what a nice treat. Nine apples ready to eat. We have 9 strawberries and 9 apples, all ready to eat. Ten flowers for you and me. 10 flowers. 10 shells from the sea. 10 seashells. You can find these on the beach. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's the end. Thank you for listening to my story. Check back. I'll have more reading out loud books in the future. That's it for now. Goodbye.